Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to completely uninstall Valorant from a PC. So guys, the first thing that you have to do is go over here and make sure to exit the Riot Vanguard. As you can see here, just open up your icon tray and exit the Riot Vanguard. And from here, just click yes. And also guys, exited the Riot client as well, so we won't have any problems. And then from here guys, go to your start menu. From here guys, search for add, and from here you should be able to see add or remove programs. Just click on it, and then from here guys, you can choose the Valorant through the search feature that they have, or you can just scroll over here and try to find Valorant. So as you can see here, this is the Valorant. So first thing that you will do guys is just click on it. And then from there guys, you will have here an option to uninstall the game. Just click on it and click uninstall. And then from there guys, you will be able to uninstall Valorant in your PC. And there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.